Nonro dhi nyime ewi nek mar jafwambo ma Pakistan ma jahigni 50 manyowito ngimane bang' rakruok gobila e kaunti ma Kajiado. Nek mar jafwambo no imedo kwed gi riwruoge mag jofwambo kod mago makelo ne ratiro mag oganda. Prime Minister mar piny Pakistan oseloso gi jatend piny Kenya William Ruto ka odwaro ni mondo otim nonro matut ewi nek mar Arshad Mohammed Sharif.
These guys were coming from a range where they had gone to meet their colleagues from Pakistan. They have a range somewhere there. But when they were stopped by the GOSU officers, they did not adhere, or they did not accept the signal from the police officer to stop, and made them to drive through. And when they drove through, it prompted the GOSU officers to act, because it was so clear that these guys saw the officers and they were in uniform, but they decided to bypass. That prompted the GSU officers to react, and that's how one of the occupants of that particular vehicle was fatally injured. And now the case has been left to DCI Syrian, who is handling it professionally.